This quick tutorial is for active city and school employees and demonstrates how to single sign-on, or SSO, into the Benefitplace mobile app. This means you can use your city or school system network login information to access online benefits enrollment from anywhere. If you haven't already, download the Benefitplace app on your mobile device. You can find it in the Google Play Store for Android and in the App Store for Apple devices. For quick download access, scan the QR code on this screen. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll then need to complete a one-time activation of the mobile app by entering the company ID, which is VA Beach Benefits. Make sure to enter this all together without any spaces in between the words. Please note, if you previously downloaded the app, you may need to first reset the company ID. This can be done when opening the app and scrolling to the bottom. Press the Reset link and select Yes when it prompts you to confirm resetting the company ID. You'll then be taken to the Welcome screen where you'll enter the company ID VA Beach Benefits. Click the Next button to continue. You'll be directed to a success screen with a button to continue to log in. Congratulations! You have successfully activated your Benefitplace app. Remember, you will only have to activate the app once. From now on, when you open the Benefitplace app, you'll see this login screen. To log in, select School Employees if you are a Virginia Beach City Public Schools employee, or City Employees if you are a City of Virginia Beach employee. The next screen may look familiar to you. It's where you'll enter your city or school system network login information, which is the same username and password you use to log into a work computer. If you've forgotten your username or password, city employees should contact the IT Help Desk at 757-385-4357. School employees should contact the technical support technician assigned to their site or the Customer Support Center at 757-263-1111. After logging in, you'll be directed to the landing page of the Benefitplace app. From here, you can review your benefits, make new elections, or make changes to your benefits coverage and covered dependents. Thank you for listening. For any questions, call the Consolidated Benefits Office at 757-263-1060 or email us at benefits@vbschools.com.